bird in the house! Move, 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 move! Okay, shh.
This is the second time we've had a bird in our house. Remember we have a picture of a bird on our mantle. We have a new pet. Call him Squirrel.
Well, he looks like he's wigging out.
How do we
I hope he doesn't, at least if he poops, it'll go right in the sink.
No, Macy, we're trying to get him back outside, not inside.
Oh, he just pooped.
Oh! Is it on camera?
Yeah, I just saw this little white thing come out of his butthole.
Did it really look at, how come he's not flying?
Because he doesn't know how to fly.
Oh, shut that off, shut that off, shut that off! It's stuck in there!
Oh.
Oh!
Where'd he go?
Oh my gosh!
Okay, don't be so loud, jeez.
Cameron, unzoom, dude!
Sorry.
Oh! Attacking the birds, attacking the birds! Is he on camera? As long as we have him on camera, we're good. He is flying, he's dropping.
Back away from the door and he'll fly out eventually. Yeah. He's so stupid.
Oh, please.
He's not gonna perch on your finger. He's going in for a nosedive.
Look how nervous he is. He's calm and ready.
To drop mom's spaghetti.
Oh.
He's gonna do a nosedive.
Oh, the fox! Don't. Oh.
Oh, he's flying! He's flying!
Boy. Outside.
Here, wait. Are you serious?
Oh my god.
Are you actually serious?
Okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cover up the baking stuff
Thank you.
because I'm about to kill this bird.
It's interesting we were able to get so close to him.
How close were you want to be?
Oh! He just hit the window. Did you see him hit that window?
Beating that window.
Did you tell Dad?
What? Oh.
Any thoughts, Tristan?
We just had a bird in the house.
Good job!